Alright, y'all heard what I said, and I said what I meant. I figured what better way than to show y'all how to get it done and do it the hardest way first. Yeah, my brother hit me up and asked me to do his dreads for graduation. So peep how I turn this into this. Mind you, the last time I saw my brother, I left him looking like this. So picture me walking in to find him looking like this. I was baffled, but I said, fuck it, let him choose between 2-strand and 4-strand, twist out, and he chose to go with the 2-strand, so I got to work. So as y'all can see here, I've already gotten started on moving up the nape of his neck. And for me personally, I like to work from the back to the front. But it's your choice. You can move from the front to the back, to the sides, to the front. But I like to leave the front as a reveal. But just so y'all know, y'all be in a position where you're going to be comfortable, whether you standing on something comfortable, in comfortable shoes, leaning, because you're going to be here a while. But to give y'all a closer look at what I've been doing for the last 10 hours, I'm just twisting. I'm twisting and twisting and twisting. And there you'll see I'm palm rolling. But he has skinny dreads, so it doesn't take everything and then some just to complete the twist. So again, I say less is more. Here you'll see I'm applying some product just to help crisp up his lines. But I don't apply that much because his dreads are skinny. And it doesn't take all that just to complete the part. Just take your time and look at what you're doing. And you'll have a seamless retwist. If you notice my hand movements, you'll see I'm maintaining a firm hold over each individual dread just to help ensure the integrity of each dread maintains the same. So I'm not pulling on stragglers and I'm not leaving any new growth hairs behind. You want to bring all that new growth down and split if need be, especially if you have old damaged dreads that need restructuring. But palm roll, y'all. Palm roll them just to secure the dread and repeat the process. Just continue all around the head with the same steps. Here you'll see, you guys, I'm carefully combing through and holding on to the hairs as I pull apart, maintaining that control, keeping the integrity of the dread. Here I've readjusted and you can see through the cameras there's some fine hairs that sometimes you can't see if you just stay in the same spot. So I just move my body around a little bit. I comb the dread out from the root down just a little bit. And then I use the comb initially to help with the retwist, but I also use my hands there, as you see, just to guide the twist. Then you can do away with the comb. Afterwards, you're going to see this little bud that differentiates new growth and the already budding dread. Don't panic. Just bring that new growth all the way down, as far down as it'll go. Smooth it out as much as you can. And what we say, palm roll, y'all. Palm roll. I promise you it's going to pay off. Unlike for me, because I'm doing this shit for free. Nah, but for real, before I go, I just wanted to show y'all my little take on how I complete a successful juicy ass 2-strand twist. So here you'll see I am crisscrossing my hands, y'all, in the direction in which I will be able to maintain the integrity of that dreadlock. I'm right-handed, so all my dreads have been going to the right, so I'm going to maintain that right pull. Every time I twist, I should be twisting to the right. If you're left-handed, you'll be twisting to the left. But because my brother is right-handed, he started his dreads with the right, going in the right direction. So that's the way all them juicy-ass twists flow. And bow, y'all, I'm telling you, if you maintain that the structure of the dread, if you respect the scalp, if you hold on to that hair, you will get a juicy and complete finished look every single time, y'all. He walked out the door looking like this, walked downstairs looking like that. Now, for real, this is my baby brother. Like, no words can describe how much I love this boy. Like, that's me in the back. Like, I gotta go to town. Cause, like, that's my baby. Like, that's my baby. Like, he's tackling everything, moving everything. Ain't nothing in that boy way. And when I tell you, I'm so fucking happy just to know that I know you, nigga. Like, I can't wait to see you do everything else. Y'all comment, subscribe, share to see more from me.